Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Hyundai Elantra front bumper. First, you'll need to gather your tools, including a ratchet, a set of sockets, and a trim removal tool. Make sure you have your new bumper cover ready, along with any new clips or hardware that might be needed. It's also important to work in a well-lit and spacious area to ensure both your safety and the ease of the replacement process. Next, let's remove the old bumper. Begin by locating and removing all fasteners. These are typically found along the top edge, inside both front wheel wells and underneath the vehicle. There might be around 10 to 15 fasteners in total. Once the fasteners are out, carefully disconnect any electrical connections for fog lights or sensors. With everything detached, gently pull the old bumper cover straight off the vehicle. Now, it's time to install your new bumper. Carefully align the new bumper cover with the mounting points on the vehicle's frame. This might require a second person to help hold it in place. Reconnect any electrical components, ensuring they click securely into place. Then, begin to reinstall all the fasteners you removed earlier, starting with the top ones and working your way around. Use new clips where the old ones were damaged. Finally, perform some crucial checks. Go around the entire bumper and double-check that every single fastener is tight and secure. Next, turn on your vehicle and verify that all fog lights, parking sensors, and any other electrical components are functioning correctly. Take a moment to clean the new bumper and the surrounding areas. This ensures a professional, polished look for your vehicle, completing the replacement process successfully.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.